up guys, Sophia here, and my hair look crazy, don't it? But you know what? It is okay because I'm going to fix that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to revive an old hairstyle. If you look on my Instagram page or channel, you will see that I did this tutorial, and I'll leave the video down in the description box. And it was looking better than this, y'all, I promise. And so I'm gonna show you how to change this to this. See how different it is? So if you want to figure out how to get this, then stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay, so this is a drawstring ponytail, and so the first thing you want to do is take this thing out. And then you are going to take this ponytail out, and don't worry, I know these twists look old, but we're gonna handle that. Okay, so once you have redone all of that, you are going to slick back all of this stuff and secure it back in the ponytail. So I'm actually gonna use some Got To Be Glued Kinky or Curl Defining Mousse, just because I've been wearing this ponytail, y'all, and it looks real like something is happening with it. It looks real worn down. So to try to tame it and get this under control, I'm dousing it with a whole bunch of this. Okay, so inside the ponytail are two combs. One of mine broke, but it's all good, y'all. We're gonna work with it. And then you're gonna put the combs in the front, and then you're gonna put them one in the back. You're gonna try to stretch it out as much as possible. And I know it looks crazy, but we gonna fix it, y'all, I promise. Do not get scared. I'm not walking outside like this, y'all. Come on now, y'all know me. The combs are not gonna be enough to keep it in place. So you're gonna wanna use some bobby pins to make sure that when you go outside, this thing does not fly off of your head. So it is going to require some pinning and some shaping on your part. And so just use your creativity or whatever. I'm not gonna tell you where to place each pin to pin it in a mohawk. All right, so I did put a lot of bobby pins in the hair because it was covering the twist and it was too wild. And as you can see, it still looks crazy. So we're gonna do some shaping. My ponytail is really old, and so that's why it looks so frizzy. But if you were to get a new one, you probably won't have to do a lot of this. Okay, so I have shaped it up a lot, and depending on how much you cut is entirely up to you. As I said, my drawstring ponytail is old, and so I don't mind cutting off a whole bunch. But you can certainly have it higher. You don't have to cut as much, especially if you plan on using your drawstring ponytail again. So we have repurposed the ponytail. Now we're going to repurpose these twists. Going to just add little things onto them. The last thing we are going to do is to give these edges some life. Okay, y'all, so that is about it. So if you are feeling this look, if you like the tutorial, then give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a follow, give me a subscribe. It depends on if you're watching YouTube or Instagram, so I'm gonna cover all of it. Just hit the button. And that's about it. I will see you guys another day, another time.